slide regarding all the questions. This is a chapter called Electrostatics and Physics. This is the basics actually. See, I have prepared slides. Yeah. First, what is electric charge? Electric charge is property associated with matter due to which it produces and experiences electrical and magnetic effects. Actually, the excess or deficiency of electrons in a body gives the concept of charge, which means if any body is having charge, that means it is having excess of electrons, whether it is having excess of electrons or it is having deficiency of electrons. If in case of these both, any of the thing is there, then it is said that electric charge is present. So types of charges, two charges over there. One is positive charge, the other one is negative charge. You can observe here. Positive charge is nothing but deficiency of electrons as compared to proton, and negative charge is excess of electrons. Also, the SI unit of charge is ampere second. Also, see here dimension also given. Ampere second is nothing but called as coulomb. So SI unit of charge is coulomb, which is ampere into second. Let's go to the next slide. Next, charge is a scalar quantity. These are the specific properties of charge which should be remembered for the case of JEE. See, first point, charge is a scalar quantity. Okay. Second, charge is transferable. That means if two charges were there, charges can always be transferable. Charge is always associated with mass. That means if there is some charge, it is having some charges. Let's say it is having some charge. When you add an electron, here something is happening here. So what's now? Charge is always associated with mass. I'm giving an example. See, let's have some body. It is having some charge. I told you. So if we add an electron for this charge, for this charged body, we are adding an electron. Then will the mass increase? You can think of why. The answer is pretty much yes, because when an electron is added, always charge increases with increasing mass. So charge is always associated with mass. That is in the third point. And the fourth point is charge is quantized. This is also the most important thing in this chapter. Charge is always quantized. So Q is given as, electric charge is given as integral multiple of electrons, which is Q is equal to N. Here N may be 1, 2, anything. But charge is quantized in form of electrons, integral multiples of electrons. So charge is conserved even. If it is present in an isolated body, then charge is also conserved. So charge is invariant. Invariant here refers to say it properly. Yeah, invariant means if a charge is going with some speed, and if it is accelerated with some more speed, see, a charge is going, this charge does move, everyone knows, right? So when a charge is moving, we are giving excess speed to it, it is moving with excess speed. Then will the charge change? Will the charge vary with speed? So it is clearly mentioned here, it is invariant, which means charge does not change with any factor, does not change. Invariant here refers to does not change. Okay, that's the matter actually. Okay, now accelerated charge radiates energy. Accelerated charge, see, I just now thought that charge does not change with speed, which is invariant, but accelerated charge radiates electromagnetic energy. Especially, see, stable charge produces electric field. A constant moving charge produces magnetic field, and an accelerated charge radiates electromagnetic energy. Okay, if two charges are of opposite signs, it is called attraction. they will be attracted, and if they are of same it is repulsion. Okay, this is the so next slide comes out to be methods of charging. There are three methods of charging. First one is friction. We all have a very good example for friction, like you have a comb. I think everyone will be taught it in primary when you made some paper pieces.